Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Happy new month to every one of you. And if you are just joining us on this channel for the very first time, my name is Brother Chima, Prince Marta, and this is a spiritual channel where we share different kind of spiritual tips and remedies. As you can see on the channel, if you check very well, we have shared a lot of videos in the past, and as part of it is what I bring to you to your doorstep today. If you are new to the family, if you are just seeing this face for the very first time, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button by your right hand side down below this video. Turn on the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a videos like this, you will be notified. Today, I bring to your view a very special spiritual tips. Yes, which I believe is going to help a lot of people. Both the people that are watching me right now and people that will watch me later. With only 2 items that we have here, you will get a very powerful result that will surprise you. And these tips that I am sharing with you today is one of the few tips that I have tested many times. And you know, when something is giving you best result, there is no bad thing in repeating it. Yes, you can be repeating it every month. If you do something and you have a result to it, yes, you have to be repeating it. Yes, once in a month, you can be doing this for your own favor, because this particular spiritual tips is basically for financial favor, for financial breakthrough. Yes, and this particular tips is to be done once in a month. You have to do it on the first of any month, and if you fail to do it at the first of the month, do it at the 7th of the month. If you miss it these 2 days, you have to wait till next month before you can do it. And the items to use on this particular remedy is not difficult, because you can get it in our local market. But there is no month you will do this particular spiritual remedy that month will not be favorable to you. What I mean that any month that you do this particular recipe, even if your business has not been moving well, or you are having some financial challenges in the past, if you bring out time to do this at the first day of the month or at the 7th day of the month, that month is going to be good for you. Yes. If you miss to do it in these 2 days, on the 1st and on the 7th, just leave it. You don't need to disturb yourself. Wait till next month, because this particular recipe is once in a month. You cannot repeat it twice in a month. Yes, because the materials are not hard and they are not bigger for you to find. It is easy for you to get the items that you can use to liberate yourself, that you can use to break through, because this particular work is not exaggerating. I am not exaggerating. I just need 10 people that can bring out that time to do this particular recipe and bring their testimony for me. Just 10 people, 10. Yes, because power no be powder and the anointing no be juju. The spiritual control the physical realm. What are the items that we need for this particular recipe? The first items that we need is coconut. Yes, this is coconut. You know what coconut is all about, and the spiritual power that coconut possesses, the spiritual energies on coconut. We are going to be using coconut. Is the first item for this financial breakthrough of spiritual tips. And the second item is ogirisi leaf. Yes, this is what ogirisi leaf look like. In Igbo tribe where I come from, we call this ogirisi leaf. And generally in Nigeria, they call it boundary tree because they use it in the olden days. Our forefathers used it to demarcate their boundaries from their acres of land. That is why it is called boundary tree. And in Yoruba language, they call it ewe akoko. That is the Yoruba name. You can search it on Google, fertility leaf, or ewe akoko, or ogirisi leaf. For people who are not living in Nigeria or people who are outside country, you can buy the leaf in any local market, in any African local market, in wherever you are, or you can order it online. And another item that we need for this financial breakthrough is your currency. Any type of currency in any country you are living, you can use their currency. This is dollar, as you can see, but I am in Nigeria. But I am going to use dollar because I want dollar. I want people to patronize me with dollar. I want people to patronize my business with dollar. I want people to send me dollar in what I am doing. So I am going to be using dollar as my own currency. Now you listen very attentively. Watch this video to the end because I have shown you what we need. Ewe akoko. You can use the dry one, or if you can use the dry one or the fresh one. If you can't find the fresh one, you will use the dry one. This is what we call money ritual. This particular recipe is what I call money ritual, financial breakthrough. When I say money rituals, many people understand rituals as in something that includes human blood or animal blood. No, it's not every ritual that includes human blood or animal blood. But this is what we call money ritual. Any month you do this, no matter what, that month must favor you. This is money ritual, and you don't need to kill someone before you can get money from spiritual work. There is a lot of spiritual work that has no repercussion, that has no harm on you, that wouldn't cause any harm on you spiritually. This thing contains very simple things. Those are the little items, and you can do it for your children, you can do it for your husband, you can do it for your brothers, and you can do it for yourself. You that want money, you that are facing financial challenges, you that are facing setback, do this once in a month and you will see. Do it with your heart. Like I used to say, before you do something like this, you must make sure you are spiritually cleansed and okay. That is the most reason why many people complain when they do spiritual work, it doesn't work. You must be clean. You must make sure that you are cleansed. And you must use your mind to do the job. And you must pray with all your heart if you want things like this to work for you. Yes, it is not until you use animal blood or human being blood before you can make it. This is one of the simple things that you can do that will attract enough luck, enough grace, enough wealth on your doorstep. So if you do this, you will not regret it. So now I am going to go into practical. So pardon me because I am going to go off from this video. Let's get down to business. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I am going to the practical now. Now, just like I was saying, the first process is to get the coconut. And this leaf here, this ewe akoko. Yes. And another thing is your money, which is my dollar. Now, with just 2 minutes, you are done with this assignment. And these are the items that we need. Yes. The first item is the coconut. How are you going to do it? You bring the ewu akoko leaf. You watch me. This is my plate. This is my white plate. Then you bring the ewu akoko. You squeeze it. You squeeze it. You have to squeeze it, even if it is the dry one or the fresh one of the ogirishi leaf. You have to squeeze it inside a white plate. That is the first step. You bring your ewe akoko leaf, the boundary leaf, the fertility leaf. You squeeze it inside the white plate. Then, after squeezing it, you bring your coconut. As you can see your coconut, I break my coconut. Then you pour the water inside the ewe akoko leaf that I have squeezed. Please pay attention and watch till the end. Pay attention. You must buy a coconut that has enough water inside it when you are doing this money ritual, when you are doing this financial breakthrough ritual. Then after pouring the water of the coconut, you can see the coconut has a lot of water. Then you can squeeze the way akoko leaf with the coconut water. You keep squeezing it the way I am doing it. This is the fertility leaf with the coconut water. You have to squeeze it. Please pardon my manners and my English. Just keep watching the way I am doing it. You have to squeeze it inside the bucket, inside the white pail. Then after that, you bring your filter and your glass cup. You look what I'm doing. You turn the water. Then you filter it. As you can see, this is my glass of water. This is the ewe akoko water and the coconut water. You can see it has already changed color. When you finish squeezing it and bringing it and filtering it, you bring back the water inside the white bowl. Pour it back inside the white bowl, as you can see. Then this is your currency. I have $1 currency because I want to be selling in dollar. I want people to patronize me. Any of the highest currency you need, bring it and soak it inside the water. Inside the water. Pardon me, I have to take the, you see? So you allow the water to soak on the money for complete 1 hour. Then when it is done, you will allow the water to soak on the money for complete an hour. Then after an hour, bring out the money. After an hour, bring out the money. This is the money. You will allow the money, keep it inside a flat something like this to dry up. And this is the water. You bring back the water inside the cup. For me, I am going to drink the water because I need money. Then you drink the water if you want. If you cannot drink the water, you use the water to rub all over your body, all over your head. Allow this money to dry. After this money has dried up, what next? You are going to use this money to go to any supermarket of your choice, or anywhere that their market is moving. But I prefer supermarket. You are going to use this money to go to the supermarket. If it is 1,000 naira, use it and buy something from that supermarket that they are making a lot of sales. Any shop that they are making a lot of sales, that is where you will take this money to. And when you reach there, use it to buy something. And listen to me, I am not talking that when you go to a shop and use the money to buy something, when you get to your home, you will see money. No. The reason why you are going to take this money to ShopRite or any supermarket that are selling well is for you to tap the grace that is upon that place, that grace that they are using to sell that market, for you to tap it with that money. Yes. After tapping that grace, after buying this thing, after buying things from that supermarket, you will see that your business will change. You will see that you are going to have a financial breakthrough. Try this particular recipe. I said I need 10 people that listen to me very attentively, that understand what I said on here, to do this particular recipe and get back with their testimony. Because I know testimony is sure. I have been trying this and it's working for me. You have to use the money and go to a supermarket or anywhere they are making a lot of sales in order to tap the grace that is upon that place for your own business to start moving, for you to have a financial breakthrough. It dey work sharp sharp. It dey work sharp sharp. Don't forget, when you soak the money inside the coconut water and the fertility leaf water, you have to allow it to soak there for 1 hour. Either you use the water to wash your face, or you drink the water and allow the money to dry, and you use the money to go and buy something. And one more thing, once you do this particular assignment, this particular ritual, the money must not stay in your hand till the next day. That very day you do this ritual, you must spend that money that very day. Anywhere they are doing business that is flourishing, that is where you are going to go to spend that money in order to tap the anointing from that place for you to prosper. Yes, that is the assignment. I think I have come to the end of this video. If there's anything you don't understand that I say on here, please don't hesitate to contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is +234 0788 136610. +234 0788 136610. That is my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If there's any question you need to ask me on the comment section, and like my videos. And may God bless you. I have come to the end of this video. Till I meet you again. Stay cool.